Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video we will learn how to find out a quadratic equation roots using C programming. So before going to the programming, we will understand first that what is quadratic equation. So basically, quadratic equation is an algebraic expression of the second degree in x. The standard form of the equation is a of x square plus b of x plus c equals to c, where a and b are coefficient of x variable and c is the constant. এখানে highest value x এর থাকবে 2. The highest order will be the second degree of x. So here the standard form of quadratic equation, where a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. And the formula to extract the roots are x equals to minus b plus minus. There will be two kind of roots, one is positive and another is negative. Square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square must be greater than or equal to 4ac. So this is the formula to find out the roots of a quadratic equation. Now we will see two examples. So first one is x square plus 10x minus 11 equals to 0. After solution of the equation, we find out two roots here. So one is x equals to minus 11, another one is x equals to 1. From the equation here, a is equal to 1, the coefficient of x square, that is a is equals to 1. b of equals to 10, that is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant, that is here minus 11. So if we do b square minus 4ac, if we find out the b square, it will be 100 and the 4ac will be 140 minus 44. So here b square is greater than 4ac, so b square minus 4ac is 144. So in this equation, roots can be calculated. So in the second equation, there is x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0, where a is the coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is the coefficient of x, that is also 1, and the constant is also 1. So here the b square will be 1 into 1, that is 1, and 4ac will be 4 into 1 into 1, that is 4. That means that b square is less than 4ac. So in this case, roots cannot be calculated, because b square is not greater than neither equal to 4ac, it is smaller than 4ac. So in this case, the roots of the quadratic equation cannot be calculated. So now we will see how to do the C programming of this, finding out the roots of quadratic equation. So first we will include our header file, that is stdio.h. So now we will include another new header file, that is math.h, which will help us to do the square root operation here. Now we will give our int main function, which is the main function here. Now we will declare our variables in floating points. R1 and R2 we will take for finding out the roots. One will be negative and one will be positive, and other three coefficient a, b, and c. So first we will give user a statement that we need the user to give an input of the coefficients. We will scan the first coefficient in A. Similarly, we will copy paste this to printf and scanf statements to take input our other two coefficients, that is b and c. So b will be the second coefficient, and for the third coefficient, the input will be scanned into C. So here our input part is complete. Now the calculation part starts, where we will find out if b square is greater than or equals to 4ac or not. If it is if b square is greater than or equals to 4ac, then the roots can be calculated. So the first one is positive minus b plus of square root of b square minus 4ac. We have to give all the brackets properly, otherwise our calculation part will give an error. And by whole divided by 2a, we have to give our brackets properly. Whole divided by 2a. Similarly, we will calculate our next root, that is r2. We will just copy it, and for the second root we will find out the r2, and the plus will be here minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now we will print that the roots of the quadratic equation, the roots of the quadratic equation are r1, that is a floating point variable, and r2, that is also a floating point variable, and we will print r1 comma r2. So here our two roots will be printed. Now if b square is not greater than or equals to 4ac, then it will straightly go to the else part of it, where we will print that the roots cannot be calculated of this equation, right? So in the else part we will print the message that the roots cannot be calculated. So we are done here with our program to find out the roots of quadratic equation. So we will now save the program and then we will run and see. Just quickly save it in your C source file. Give it a name, save it, and now compile and run. Okay, we have a compilation error. Okay, we haven't give the 2 star a, because in C programming we have to give star to do a multiply, right? To do a multiplication we have to give the star. So now it is okay. We will run the program. We are taking the first equation first, where the coefficient of x square, the first coefficient is 1, second one is 10, and the c is minus 11. So here is the root. Now we will calculate. The roots of the equations are r1, that is 1.00000, and r2, that is minus 11.00. We have also calculated it before. See here, two roots, x is minus 11 and another one is 1. Now we will calculate for the next equation, that is x square plus x plus 1. So now we will give the coefficient of the equation, that is 1, 1 and 1. See, the roots cannot be calculated because b square is 1 and 4ac is 4. We have seen it in our previous examples. So this is all about how to find out quadratic equation roots using C programming. So I hope you guys understand it, and so thank you for watching.